This conference will now be recorded.
So today,
Okay.
what parameterized job means? Okay, these are three environments in a company. So
Okay.
developers are there. So developers are working on their features.
Okay.
Okay. So what they did, okay, they requested to us, is my feature code generating file or not? This is ops team.
Okay.
So nothing but our team, DevOps team.
Okay.
Okay. So we have a connections to these three, okay, environments. Okay, we have these three, but before we deploying into this environment, before we deploying into the environments, in Git only we have a branches.
Okay.
Okay, in the
Okay.
same stack, in the same stack, when the developer is pushing asking to us, in the same stack, by using this one we are generating a testing war file.
Okay.
Means before we committing to the master, okay, before the code is moved to the
Master.
ops team to yes, means it can present in the master, the developer is done the commit, okay, but
Okay. They
it is
haven't pushed
not
to.
ready to not ready for deployment. Okay, there's a no
Okay.
DevOps team until the confirmation. DevOps will not take a action on that code.
Okay. And once they commit
But
only, we'll take action, right?
yes, once they commit and once the by the team leader is ticket is raised, yes, you can go for the deploy, like that. Then only ops team will do work on that code. So by for that, developers are checking whether my code, okay, my code I have moved into the form.xml, that is generating the file or not, means generating the package or not. You can check that
Okay.
by parameterized jobs.
Okay.
Parameterized jobs. So for that, what I'll do, go to dashboard, manage Jenkins, manage plugins, okay, and available section, I'll install git parameter,
Okay.
git parameter plugin.
Why this
Check
parameters
install
plugin is
without restart.
useful? What is the purpose of?
Git git parameter.
Yeah. Why we are installing this?
Okay, okay, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I just installed. Just a minute.
Okay.
So I'm going for the new item for job. I'll give a name git para 001. Okay, selecting the freestyle. So you can see here this project is parameterized.
Okay,
So
okay.
I just forgot to show you that before, without installing that plugin, this option will not come here.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So this is
Okay,
used for
so we
what
can
purpose?
have a. I told you, na, this one. For an current state, is the code is generating project means package file or not. For that, we are using these jobs. This is
Oh, package.
a
Okay,
daily
package file.
activity. Yes, yeah, it is a activity, daily activity. Like the developer team will request us, raise a ticket to us to test that code.
Oh, test the code. Okay, okay,
Like sometimes, if yeah, 15 days in a sprint, they will ask for the, they will request for us to test in a
okay.
in a sprint. So, or they will raise a ticket, whether the team leader or they will directly raise a ticket to you. As you have to push, and that's it. In which
Okay.
branch you have to push.
Oh, so just we need to generate a var file, right?
Yes, where.
We need to take whether it can be generated as var or jar file. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So, so this is so what I'll do now. I'll take from Git. Where is my Git? I'll copy this code and paste here. What I'll do, this project is parameterized. Okay, this project is parameterized. Add parameters. Add parameters. You can select Git parameter. Okay, Git parameter. It is asking a name. Okay. So we are running on the branches. So whatever the name you can give, I'll give as a branch. Description also you can mention description here. For what purpose you are doing this job? You have to mention the ticket name. Okay. You have to mention the code for what. So on
Okay.
what basis and at what time you are, for what sprint you are doing this one testing. Okay. At what time you got this one PR and all. So you can mention here the in detail details.
Okay. Okay.
When the job they open in the description, they can means they can read and they can understand that why this has been done.
Okay. Just description we can say right since apps team requested to test like that. Anything we can type right.
Yeah, we can mention a ticket name. Okay, ticket
Okay.
ID. Okay,
Okay.
the mail from the who he requested the name also, what
Okay.
time and what basis and from what team, like
Okay.
for
Okay.
what code means they will work on the feature like that, if some healthcare or some product based or some banking sectors, we don't know, right? Developers on which
Yes.
side they are working, so we have to mention that one. Like this, a very clear and faster to understand other person. Okay. Tag. What I'll do, I am doing a parameterized job on Git, so I will select a
Okay.
branch tag.
Okay. Okay.
So in default value, what I'll do, so I need to get my all branches. So how
Okay.
many branches I have? One, two, three. Three branches. So I'll give as a branch. Then I'll get these three branches when I'm running the job. First, for that, you have to give the value like it is dollar, curly bracket, in capital letters, branch, and close the curly bracket.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go directly apply, save. Previously, when we are doing any job, at the time will get build now, but
Okay,
now
okay.
build with parameters.
Oh, okay,
Build with
okay. Parameters. Okay,
parameters. When you click on build with parameters, it will show you which branch you want to build.
okay,
Okay. Origin,
okay.
master, release 1 or release like this. Okay. So I'll select the master and I'll go for build.
Oh, okay.
We'll see our build will be success or fail.
So this every company will use this option, or this is very rarely will use? Because I've seen all
Mhm.
build only. I haven't seen build with parameters in any
Yeah,
YouTube
so
video.
that's why.
Okay,
Yeah, most of the people in training, what they will do in trainers, see a simple, they will prepare like a simple syllabus, which is not hard to them also.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. We also
so
don't
they
know
will
what is
just,
the real time. That's why.
yeah, they will go like so that I just prepared for you only the syllabus. Why? Because
Okay,
on
okay,
my experience, so that's why I given the content also that. Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
no
Yeah.
problem. What I have the knowledge, then I'll share you.
Okay, okay. Sure, sure. Definitely, Rajni, it will be helpful for you. Okay.
Yeah. So where it is so the bill. So I have workspace. Okay, in my workspace, so target sonar, where is my job? Yeah, my job is success. You can see my job is started by Suji. First time build skipping change log. It has been merged from the git. Let me check. Workspace sonar. Java home my web and port and this Java web and favorite is. So all the git file it hasn't cloned. You can see all the files which I have in our git. So with that URL it has been cloned. So
Okay.
let me check
Actually, I don't
right.
understand what is workspace.
Workspace is where the job information will store.
Okay,
So job information. Okay, every job what you're building or what you're doing, everything, whatever your job in Jenkins, that is the path where the stores the information about the jobs.
okay, okay.
Okay, so this is so info release bill HTTP error, no valid crumb included the request. Okay, so it is an origin only the code. Then build again. My build is success. Let me check. Git release no wall can timeout. Git checkout has been done. Git config core has been done. So workspace. So you asked about this owner cube and nexus, no? So
Yes,
we
yes.
are doing like this. I'll tell you about this one. We are doing under this distribution management and distribution management and repositories. We are calling remote repositories to store to store. We are calling a links here. So I'll
Okay.
tell you just because I seen this one, so that's why I told you. Why my like our war file will be generate like here 8.2.0 version. So it is not showing the packaging war file need to generate. This file they have to generate. Why? Because every code any developer will do, they will ship into the pom.xml only.
Okay.
We will work
Okay.
on pom.xml only will generate the file like war, air or jar with Maven. Okay,
Okay. By
every
using
developer
Maven,
they
they
will do
will
the
build a
code
jar file in pom.xml format, right? They will give it in pom.xml, or we will update the
pom.xml.
pom.xml.
Yes. Yeah, we will doing pom.xml. We are converting into the var jar or air
Okay. So the
the
developer
packaging.
will give in a pom.xml format. Am I correct?
Yes, 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 yes. Every
Okay. We
developer,
will, by using
okay, every
Maven, we will
developer
convert
will
into
do.
var or jar file.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
So the last point of developer is pom.xml only. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
So is my pom.xml okay? Then why it's not generating? Where I change this? Parameters. I'll select another build. Workspace. It is like this. It should have show like skipping this owner and it show only target. Why it's showing?
So this workspace is showing what is under this particular branch, right? Am I correct? This workspace is
Yes,
showing
yes. The under particular
whatever you
branch only.
select in a branch.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
SRC main. You can see that how the code is works also. Our package is generated, but and if it is package is not generated, we'll not get this one. I'll show you. We'll not
Okay.
get this one. Web apps index dot will not get this one. It will give error here only if it is not generated the package. But
Package
I
means
think
it's, you
something
mean to say it's generated as a war file, you're saying?
yeah, it has been generated, but it will show here like this. When I click on this target, it will show here only. It will show here only that my web 8.2.0 var. But I
Okay.
think white sonar is coming. I need to make changes? Why? Because in my last class I did sonar integration. I think I done
Okay.
something changes maybe.
Okay. So by right here, you should
For
get the war file.
another
Am I correct?
here we need to get like I'll show you where it is untitled. Here we'll get like whatever code name my web, right? My web like it is 8.2.0 var. It will show like this.
Okay.
My web. And why this 8.2.0? Why 8.2.0 is? I'll tell you this one. This is a basic. You have to know about these values. Okay. Don't
Okay.
worry. I'll tell you about this. Did your trainer last trainer has told you why we are giving a numbers here? Or where when we are pushing artifacts also, or when we are doing code also, while they will call why they will call like this?
Something I don't know, but she say like always whenever we commit, right? If we give this
Hmm?
version, then the developer will know. Then this is already pushed, and they will go for they develop the to
No,
latest.
no, no, not like that, not like that. I'll tell you
Okay.
now. I'll tell you.
Okay.
In next class also, you will clear very clearly. Don't worry. I'll tell you now. Just intro
Okay.
where it is. I'll open a new notepad. Okay. So first of all, my web 8.2.0. Okay,
Okay.
this is 8.2.0. Okay, okay, it's
Okay.
nice. Okay, so what is this? If snapshot, if it is like my web 8.2.0 snapshot, then the code is under construction, means under developing only.
Okay.
So that course only we are doing parameterized jobs.
Okay. Okay. So under developing only we'll make a parameters job. Okay.
Yeah, parameterized jobs, and sometimes which is ready to release, those also will do. Uh, that kind of course will not have a snapshot, only they will have like this. Okay, but you have to identify when they will mention the snapshot, means it is under developing only.
Okay. Okay.
So what is
So
this
still it's like
8.2.0?
staging area is like that. Is it staging?
What?
Git it will be in staging, right? Is that one or
No, that is Git is separate thing. After
okay?
Git only we are doing this and all.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay, so once
okay.
the why git staging is done, developer will clone the code and they will stage to the staging your working area, and he will do modifications. Once he will do
Yeah,
the modification, he'll push into the remote area.
yeah, yeah.
Once he will
Correct.
put it into the remote area, so it is under developing only,
Okay.
not committed. So why
Not committed.
not committed means, yeah, why
Okay.
not committed means, I'll tell you why not. This is a real time scenario. Why not committed means, developer 1 has done one feature, developer 2 has done one feature.
Okay.
These two are working on different features. Once they work the features, okay, and they will merge into the master, and then it will push into the deployment.
Okay. Push to means GitHub or push to deployment.
Git,
Okay.
GitHub.
GitHub. Okay. Okay.
Once in a GitHub only, after they're pushing or commit to the master, TL will verify the code. Okay, his developer team TL will verify the code, and he will only do the war file generations and all. He will only raise the request to you. Once it will generates, he will release the permission to deploy to the ops team.
Well, he will only what he will do the war file means after
Yeah,
he
TL will only, yeah, TL or like under TL some supervisors kind of thing there
yeah,
na.
yeah. So
So
what
they
he will
will
do?
request to us to,
Okay. He'll verify the code and what he will do then he request to create a war file. Am I correct?
yeah,
From
yes,
DevOps team.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
like
After
that,
the
and
DevOps team, what they do, they will by using Maven, they create a war file.
yeah, by using our maven, we will do by like we will do like in dev only na. So we have dev environment. In dev environment only we will use one node. Okay, we'll use one node and we will under branch only we will generate that one. Because we have
Okay.
a separate environment for dev for testing.
Okay. Okay.
Once it will done, we'll push into the for testing. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
once it will also deployed, we'll go for the UAT also. Once it will done, okay, all clear, no bugs, nothing, then we go for the production.
Production. Okay.
Okay, the last step is production, and it is not related to us. Once it will into the production, in production we have a production ops also. There is a very live tickets generates, and if you got into the production, then you need to have a more knowledge.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. So the version numbering where now you actually why we are changing the number? You haven't said the one after
yeah.
we.
So
Yeah.
why see 8.2.0, if it is anything is there like it is not 0, if it is like 1, so it is moving to next stage or next, from dev to QA it is going, like that means
Okay.
it is under moving only, moving further. If it is
Okay.
not, it is 0, then it is complete.
Oh. So okay. Mean
Okay.
2.0
Yeah,
means it's in a development itself. It's completed.
it
It's
is
not going to.
complete. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes you will see three. You can see that very our Google Pay or whatever the applications like a Paytm or all, we
Yeah.
are updating in our Play Store only. When we are updating, it will show us the code
Yeah.
8.2.0 or 30.2.1.
Yeah. The version
Like
numbering. Yeah.
if it, yeah, if it is like 8.2.3 also in some sprint like 1 month sprint or 15 day sprint like in a gap, so it is under again developing if it is not
Okay.
zero.
Okay. Okay. So,
Okay.
okay. So when it becomes zero, so all development completed. You mean say?
Yeah, completed means somewhat at rest point.
Okay. So then it
Okay.
can be deployed in production. When it will can deploy in production, then 8.2.3 can be deployed in production.
Once this stages is crossed, once this stages is crossed, it will go for the production.
So that will be which version 8.0 or
So I'll tell you like hard fix and bug fix. Okay.
okay,
Branch are there. Okay. And this dev and features. Okay. When dev is okay, this version is 8. Okay, on version of 8 only we are working. Okay. When everything is okay, then it will move for like 8. Okay. Dev
okay,
is confirmed. Okay. Then after
okay,
qa everything is okay, then they will go for the version 2, the end number. Okay. Then
okay,
hard fix and bug fix. Hard fix and bug fix means under qa or uat last stage. Okay,
okay,
whatever the box is not finding, if anything we find, we'll hold there only. Okay.
okay,
Hot fix and bug fix branch we have. Okay. Once we it is done and we will move into the production. Once it will move into the production, the hot fix bug fix branch will be removed. Okay. And the devops engineer also work for another code.
okay,
So another
okay,
project it is.
okay.
Again another project it is.
So when it in reaching production, what version it will be? My web 8.2.3 or
If it is in 3 only, means after 3,
yeah,
I'll tell you 3 is 3. Okay. After in dot 3 only all testing is completed, then it will move
completed
like
means
this only.
okay. Yeah, now I got it. Okay,
Move like this only. And
okay,
after 1 or 25 days, it will again for the 4.
okay. Again, developer
Okay.
will do some changes, right?
Some, yes.
Upgrades or something.
Continuously.
Yeah.
Continuous it is. So why then only we will involving in this. So
Okay, okay,
okay, we are moving so far. So I'll explain you this when Nexus and this Sonar Cube is come. Very clear.
sure. Okay.
Okay. So here I think some changes I will do. I will show you, but I'll go dashboard. Okay. So this is how we do parameterized job in Jenkins.
Okay.
Okay. Job in Jenkins. So do you
Parameter
know
is
the
only to create a Maven file or any other thing.
parameterized?
Only to create a Maven, right? It will do only the Maven task alone, or in parameter do we whether we do any other thing? Only it will create var jar file, right?
Yeah, it will do war file. Okay. Just we it will show us to yeah, yes, this is opening the war file, and we can
Okay,
check like that when I go for the index.com and it is showing like that or not.
okay.
That's it. Okay. So next is, the sequential jobs or upstream downstream jobs.
No. I know the
Sequen-
Policium, those kind of something scheduling Policium.
okay. Okay, that is okay. I didn't show you the webhooks, right? Webhook.
Yeah, no. Webhooks. Yeah. In interview they were asking. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you now. Wait. I'll giving his name as webhook. Okay. Now I didn't integrated this Tomcat, so I'll go with this self instance only, Jenkins.
Okay.
Just I'll show you how the webhooks will work. Okay.
Okay.
what I'll do from Git, okay, from my Git,
Okay.
in my Git, I'll go settings. You can see settings, settings.
Okay.
In left side, you can see webhook.
Oh, settings for books.
You
Okay.
already know that. I think you know already cron what is built periodically Polasium. We can use by cron expression.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
that
Scheduling.
is
Yeah.
okay. That part is okay. But the webhook is like mostly used in real time environment, or some of the companies will use build periodically. Okay,
Okay.
webhooks. Click on webhooks. Here you can see right side add webhook.
Okay.
Add webhook. It is asking my password. You have to confirm this password. Okay, you can
Okay.
see here that payload url, payload url means the
Okay.
Jenkins instance url you have to give.
Oh, payload URL Jenkins, same Jenkins URL. Okay.
Yes, I'll go here and I'll paste. I need to give up to 8.8.0 git webhook. Okay, this is
Okay.
must and should.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so you have to give here like github hyphen webhook. Sorry, github hyphen webhook
Okay.
slash. So once you give like this is must and should. Until and unless you should not give, then it will not work.
Okay.
And
Okay.
downside content type, you have to. We are running a Java program, then we have to key a JUnit JSON application JSON.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll give
Always
just
that is application JSON, right?
yes. So just the push event. So we are working on event based. When event is done in any code, okay, so directly build will happens.
Okay.
Add webhook.
Yeah. Okay.
Added. Webhook has been added. Okay.
Okay. The
So
URL
I'm going
alone,
to
right?
the
This URL, right? GitHub URL, right? The
no
webhook.
Jenkins URL.
Jenkins URL, but you change it to GitHub hyphen webhook, right?
Webhook, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So in my Jenkins, what I'll do, I'll my web, I'll copy my code here. I'll give. You can in build triggers. You can see that GitHub hook trigger for Git SAM polling. Just
Okay.
select this one. You have to select this one.
Okay.
Okay, and go. So I just didn't integrate it with, and this all will do one thing. Move top level my target.
Clean package.
Package.
Okay.
Window. Okay. Apply. Save. Okay. What I'll do, see, I didn't run any job. Okay. I'm in
Okay.
project webhook. I'll go in this way. So what I'll do in SRC, in main, web apps, index.jsp, I'll made a small change here that I'll remove here the double I is there. I'll remove one I
Okay.
and I'll commit this change. Commit change.
Okay.
We'll go here. We'll see our build is automatical schedules or not. No builds.
So this also like poll SCM, like
Yes,
automatically
yes, yes.
it will, whenever
Oh,
the commit, it will select, it will trigger the deploy,
yeah,
right? Oh, okay.
yeah. I have done some event, right? So that's why it automatically builds the build. We'll refresh. See, automatically done build. I didn't
Oh,
done anything. Why it got changed? I didn't specify a destination one. I didn't specify destination one. Tomcat server. We don't have Tomcat server.
yeah, yeah.
I
Only
didn't
you
do
did
that.
a Maven only, right?
Yeah, yeah. I think no need to now. Is it fine for you? Should I create Tomcat right now?
No, that is not related to this, right? Yeah. We add the Tomcat server and
Yeah. We'll
configure
give
the
that
config
container
credential,
and
everything
username.
means that will go to there also. Yeah. Yeah. But
Yes.
can you go back and show me webhooks? Well, because I just want to see once again, then only I'll be understanding. How
Where
you
in GitHub?
configure the webhook? The webhook
In,
you configure it, the URL, yeah.
URL. Okay. In
Yeah,
GitHub,
yeah.
right?
Yeah. So where you create webhooks, settings, some settings, right? The
See,
settings, right?
in settings,
In GitHub, right?
settings.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, in GitHub. In GitHub settings.
Okay.
Left side webhook. Webhook.
Okay.
Click on webhook. Okay. Add webhook.
Okay. Okay.
Add webhook. Here you need to give Jenkins URL.
Okay.
In Jenkins URL up to after 8080 you have to give GitHub hyphen webhook slash.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then
Means after
application
GitHub,
JSON.
you need to give what? Can you repeat once again? After GitHub, the URL
I'll
hyphen webhook,
I'll
right?
I'll type here. Don't worry. Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't worry.
This is the first time I'm seeing this. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Webhook.
Okay. Like this.
Okay. Like this. This is
So
a
it will
Jenkins URL
automatically
plus GitHub
triggers.
hyphen webhook. Okay.
Yes. When the event is done, automatically send the triggers to Jenkins. So
Okay. Okay.
What
That's
Jenkins
the
will
purpose of
do,
webhook.
it will receive the query. Yeah, at what purpose and git polation for which job I am doing this one. Automatically build the trigger.
Okay. Okay. So after you giving the GitHub this URL, everything you will save. Then Jenkins, what you did?
Yeah, in Jenkins I'll show you. In Jenkins, see, I just
Hmm.
went here for source code management.
Git
I
URL. Okay.
given my code URL GitHub. Yeah,
GitHub.
Git
Yeah. Yeah.
URL
Okay. This is normal one. Okay.
and in yeah in
Master.
build
Okay. Fine.
triggers in build triggers I just give GitHub hook trigger for GitSCM polling.
Interesting folding. Wow. Okay. This is the main thing, right? Okay. Okay. Build trigger. Okay.
Yes, this is the main thing.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'll share you this.
Application JSON. Okay. Great. Super. I'll practice this way.
Mm-hmm.
So this like this means if in whether in production also whether they do Rajini like this, they configure webhook means, and whenever the developer do the
No,
commit, right, it
no,
will
no. In
keep
production,
reply.
yeah, in production will not. It will not like that. Production, everything will need permissions.
Okay. Okay.
It will not go directly
Okay. Okay.
because it is. Those are live now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is how we can do webhook.
Okay.
So the next concept is sequential jobs or upstream downstream jobs.
Okay. Okay.
Did you know that?
No. No. Rajini. I know very basic only in Jenkins. Just a freestyle project, pipeline project. That's it.
Okay. 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 So I'll tell you one freestyle job. What I'll do, I'll select a job A. Okay. Okay. I'll do one small this one. Execute shell echo.
Okay.
And okay.
Okay.
Apply. Save. Go dashboard. Again new item. Job B. Freestyle. Okay.
Okay.
Here execute shell echo.
When this
Hello.
will be useful, actually, like how webhooks means, we understand that for automatically it should deploy. So this one, when it will be useful, this thing.
Webhooks, huh? When like you can see commercial websites like Mintra,
Okay.
Flipkart. So why?
Okay.
Because for every month they will release the coupons as
Okay.
Zomato, right?
Yeah.
1 minute, Suji. Hello?
Yeah.
And class of so okay. What I'm telling you, commercial websites, they every time 1 month or 2 months they'll release the coupons, right? For
Okay.
festival, for the some of the products they will apply one coupon, so for that they need to do code,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Previously, if the same offer they want to implement, then they have already having the code, so they will what they will do, they will go and copy paste, and they will push the event automatically reflect into the deployment. Automatically deploy and reflect to the production.
That is webhooks, right?
Yes, webhooks.
And but the one you were saying, right? Single, the one just now you job A, job B you created, right?
This is another concept
Okay, this concept when it will work, what is the concept?
which I will tell you this. That's why I'm creating job A, job B.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, job C. Let's see. Okay, I have job A, job B, job C. Okay, sequential job means if I want to continuously running these jobs, okay, I'll go job A and I build now. I'll go job A and build now. I'll go job C and build now. So I need manual effort for this when it was going for the build. Okay. But I want to run sequentially. When job is done, job A automatically run. When job is done, job C automatically runs. When job C is done, automatically job A is done. So this is a sequence. This is a sequence. Okay. How we can give the sequence? Configure. In configure, sorry, for this we need to deploy a plugin, means install a plugin, manage plugins, and are available sequential jobs. Sequential jobs. Wait a minute. Loading. Configure. Okay, sorry. In build triggers, we have build after other projects are built. Build after other projects are built. So I'll select this one. Okay, so I'll mention here job B. Job A. Job A. After job A build, I need to build job B. It will suggesting us. See, trigger only if build is stable. Go apply, save it. Go to dashboard. In job B, configure. In build triggers, need to select build after other projects are built. Select. In job B, after job B, I need to trigger job C. Okay, apply. Oh, wait. Save.
Okay,
Okay, in job C, I'll go configure, build triggers, build after other projects, build job A. Okay, apply,
okay,
save. So I'll go to dashboard. Okay, in dashboard, I'll go to job A. I'll
okay,
build I build this job now. You can
Wow.
see for job B, job A, upstream job is job B, and downstream job is job C.
Okay. Okay.
I think I schedule build, right? Build. Build
Yeah.
schedule. We'll see builds here. You can see one build has been done. Okay.
Okay.
Job C build has been done. See, automatically job 2 is running. You can see
Yeah. Yeah.
here. Job 2. Job 3 will run automatically.
Okay. After job B complete, job C also will run. Okay.
Yeah, job C. After job C, job A again run automatically.
Again, job B also will run. Okay. So it won't stop, right? It will continuously go
Yeah,
on, right?
yeah, continuously go. So this is when happens some in some of the companies, like there is a frequent sequential builds are there. So at that time this sequential jobs will run, but this sequential jobs is in all companies not recommended way. Okay, why? Because if it is running like this, the instance will get into hung state,
Okay. Okay.
right? You can say job 4 is running.
Yeah. Yeah. Again, job A started, right? Then means.
Yeah, job is started. So this is sequential job. When every job wants to run, means every change is like sequentially running the job, then we go for this. Okay, you can see here we have a so yeah, something. This is not dashboard. We have a some visualization also. Visualization for we need we need to install one plugin, build pipeline plugin. I'll go
Okay.
dashboard, my Jenkins, manage plugins, available, build pipeline, build pipeline.
Pipeline.
You can see here, build pipeline, stored accesses vulnerability. I don't know what is this. Install without restart.
Okay.
Maven integration. Congenerated build setup, parameterize triggers. You see, build pipeline, loading plugin extensions. Okay. So I have installed. I go for the dashboard. Okay. You can see
Okay.
here all there's a plus symbol is there.
Yeah.
Okay. Plus symbol is there. You have to select, or you can give a name like build 001. So this is the build. So build pipeline view. Okay. Okay. You need to write here a description also. Okay. So here in upstream downstream job, you have to select job A. Select initial job. Why? Because once the way it is don't know that visualization which job is running. After which job it will show the visualization. So that's why I'm select this job A. Why? Because job A, B, C, I created a visualization means sequence. So that's why I select job A.
Okay.
Okay. So standard build card only. Restrict no triggers. Most recent successful. Okay. So this is okay. So I'll go apply. Okay. You can see this is a
Oh.
visualization.
Oh, like this graphic. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
You can see
Okay.
pipelines. All our jobs are running ninth time. Nine job A,
Okay.
nine job C,
Okay.
nine job B.
Okay. So after you install the build pipeline only, this will come,
Yes.
right? This visualization.
Yes. 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 Okay, we have another visualization also that for better understanding. Plus
Okay.
symbol. So I'll go manage Jenkins, another plugin. Okay, manage
Okay.
plugins available. Delivery pipeline. Delivery pipeline.
Pipeline.
Install without restart. Okay, go to dashboard. So in plus symbol, I'll go delivery pipeline view.
Okay.
Okay. I'll give a name. I forgot to give delivery. Then I'll say okay. Okay. So number of pipeline instance per pipe. Okay. So come down. Here you have a components. Add components. You can give name as a delivery.
Okay.
Delivery. Initial job is job A. Okay, and final job is job C.
Oh, okay. So it will be end. Job here to
Yes,
start and by job C it
yes,
will.
yes, and okay.
This will be useful for production, right? Like,
Yes, you can see the visualization is different. Job
okay.
A, job C. Job B, job C. Job A, job C.
Okay. So in sequential, there is no option like starting and ending, right?
Yes. So we have to break the connection. Then only
Okay.
it will break. It will break.
Break. Okay. In
Yes.
sequential, can we break like that?
Yeah, we can break by going into the configure only.
Okay. Okay. Configure.
So lead to lead to hung state of instance. So for avoiding this, we have another plugin like multi-job plugin or parallel plugin.
Okay.
Okay, parallel plugin.
Okay.
I'll tell you that is where this dashboard. So before going that, I'm just breaking the sequence. So how to break? Go to job A, configure, build triggers. Okay, remove this option and apply save.
Okay.
Dashboard,
Remove build. What option you remove? Build project.
configure. Just go to
Okay.
configure, build
Okay. Build
triggers.
trigger.
Remove this option. What we have selected, remove this option.
Oh, other projects are
Uncheck the
built.
box. Yes. Apply, save.
So
Go to
this
dashboard.
won't be like a sequential, right?
Yes. Job C, configure, build triggers. Remove this option. Apply, save.
Okay. For
Okay.
all jobs you're changing. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I'll go dashboard, manage Jenkins, manage plugins, multi-job plugin. You can see multi-job plugin. Okay.
Okay.
Install without restart. Installed. Dashboard. Okay. Let us select your place. Okay, here you can see multi-job view. I'll
Okay.
give multi. Okay. I think we didn't given.
So what is this multi? What is the purpose of this?
It will run only one sequence and it will stop.
Okay. So this we are editing in where? Which in you create a new project
What?
multi. So did you install any plugin for this multi view?
Yes, multi-job plugin I just installed, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'll go new item.
Okay.
Okay, dashboard. What it is? Okay,
You need to click in
okay.
leave.
So yeah, I there is no multi-job. I'll go new
Okay.
item. I'll give multi,
Okay.
and you can see multi-job project.
Oh yeah.
Multi-job project. Okay.
Okay.
Here you can do same thing. Check. Okay, build
Okay.
now. It will build. It has been built. Go to dashboard. Go to multi 001. See, showing like this. This normal visualization.
Okay. Okay.
So it will show like
So
the
this one,
step by
whether
step.
it's taking any job in this nothing.
If we give sequence, it will take only job A, job B, job C. You see, this is job A, job B, and job C. That's it.
Okay, okay. So can you go this multi configuration? Can you select the config? What you given? Let me check once.
Multi
Yeah, multi and the config.
config. I didn't done anything. I
There
just
isn't anything,
given
right? Yeah.
execute shell echo word
Okay,
done. That's it.
okay, okay.
Okay, this is how the plugins are working in Jenkins.
Okay, okay.
So it is already, so I think 8. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Okay. Today we didn't see many things. Let me
okay,
practice all those things. Today we
okay,
have
okay.
seen webhook.
Hmm.
What else? Just summarize. I'll summarize. Webhook, sequential job. Means
Yeah,
upstream,
sequential job.
downstream.
Yes, upstream, downstream, and visualization of build pipeline. Okay,
Okay.
delivery pipeline and
Delivery
multi-job
pipeline,
pipeline
multi-job. Before webhook,
and
have you seen anything? Before webhook, something you shown.
parameterized jobs.
Yeah, parameter, build parameter. Yeah.
Yes, build parameters.
Okay, so this video, can you please send me? So it's very, very important. I
Yeah,
will
yeah,
practice
sure,
immediately.
sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure.